In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn a 2x4 into a corner piece. I decided to buy cedar because we have a cedar beam in our house, and so I want these corner pieces to match. Our lumber sale stores rough cedar only, and they do not sell 2x2, so I had to buy a 2x4. So that is what I'm using, a 2x4 to make the corner piece. If you want to use just pine or standard lumber, I would suggest starting out with a 2x2. I'm starting by trimming the ends with my miter saw because I don't want to put more through the table saw than I have to.
So we're going to measure this. It's about 2 inches and we want it square. So we want this one to be cut at 2 inches. So we're going to set our table saw to be
2 inches there. Sawdust, especially cedar sawdust, is not good for you, so I'm wearing my dust mask. I'm using my palm sander to give the whole thing a quick sand, and my goal was just to kind of smooth it all out, but I do want it to have a bit of a rough look because I'm wanting it to match the cedar beam in our house. I think I was using about 100 or 150 grit sandpaper for this part.
So it's sanded, and at this point we want to make a corner piece. So you can see we want to cut out this part. So we need the blade height to be this high, and then it needs to be, this distance also needs to be set between the blade and the fence. I'll show you. We did a tester to see, and this is our tester. So we know this is what the blade height has to be. So we're just gonna that's the height, right? Is that good? Is that good? Yeah.
I did a little bit more sanding on the edges. I applied 2 coats of satin polyurethane.
This is our corner edge that we're trying to fix. So we're going to put the piece on. Sweet. Now we're going to secure it. We're just debating on whether to use the 16 gauge or 18 gauge nailer. Ugh.
I made 2 of them for 2 corners that we had to finish off in our hallway. I'm super impressed with how it turned out. I was going for a larger, beefier look, and it matches our cedar beam perfectly. If you want some more beginner woodworking projects, check out my how to use a biscuit joiner videos, and don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video. Thanks.